Am I live yet? Okay, it's appeared on my phone, so I'll consider that as I'm live now. Alright, so let's get started. I don't really know how to explain what he wants, but yeah. So the first thing I need to do is make sure that he can disable the thing I added yesterday. So we'll quickly just get the config he sent me. Alright. Because I want to copy this into the one on the server. Hello everyone. I could see a few people saying hi. Oh god, what's this? Oh, fuck off. I don't know why it does that every time, it's really annoying. And then which one is on the server? I'll just paste it in. And we'll just join the server quickly to test that the config file I've got right now does work. Ow. Okay, well why does that not kill him? I'm just gonna GMC. I don't know why I didn't do that. Asking tons of money. I need to set the maximum prestige to set asking 0. Sort of stacks, but there's more to it than that. It's not just that. I can't even tell if this is working or not right now because he has all the messages disabled. I'm going to quickly enable the messages. Where is it? Oh no, he doesn't have it disabled. Okay, that's not good. It is working, right? I don't know. Let me add the not enough message. Oh, it was already there. This worked for him, right? So why is it not working here? I'm confused again, man. Oh, okay, it's because he has that message disabled. I'm a fucking idiot. Alright. Menu add asking free. I need to change that in the config. I remember this from yesterday. Cool. So I should be able to prestige now, right? Cool. So we finally got that bit done. So I need to create an option just to disable this because I don't feel like removing it all, and you know, disabling it is way easier. So we're just going to go into here. If get configuration, configuration section, prestige commands chance doesn't equal null. There you go, should be good. And then do I check if the size is greater than 0 in here? I do, right? Pretty sure I do already. Okay, let's add the new part to the config then. So I'm going to say interval interval based rewards. So the material of the block given. So yeah, I've kind of already planned out in my head how this should look in the config, but I haven't actually, you know, tested or anything. So hey Bale, So this is the prestige which players will start receiving block from. We'll say 2 just to test it, and then the interval at which players will receive block every 2. The example above means users will get hay bales every 2 block prestiges. And the amount of blocks they receive. How did I plan this out to Mead? I need to see. Increase, okay, that's cool. So, where am I from? England. You can see it's like 8:40 at the moment, it's pretty early. The amount of blocks they receive. Brackets. Oh, I can't think of what the formula would be in simple terms. Increase 1. I don't know how many he wants it. I'll set it as 10. I'll set it as 5 so we can see. That should be fine, right? And then just copy and paste it, remove all the comments because I only need one of them to be commented, and then sponge beacon. From, I don't know what he wants, 5 and 5, and then increase will be 10. I am just going to add this, every 5 prestiges they receive plus 10 beacons. Nah, I'm not going to bother adding that. Hay bale. Do I use IntelliJ? No, I use Eclipse. How does the hay system work? It doesn't yet. I've only created the config so far. I don't know how to explain it really. He wants it so it's kind of like intervals. So every set amount of prestiges you get like blocks and stuff. And then yeah. So public. We want a list of materials, which is this. And that will be interval rewards equals new hash map material. No, fuck, it's a list. Array list material. Public static hash map material. So we want integers now. Integer interval from equals new hash map string material string. So every and increase. Interval every, interval increase. Almost imported the wrong material there. Oh, and I put string in these accidentally. Force of habit. So now here we want to do if conf get configuration section prestige commands.interval doesn't equal null for string s in conf.get configuration section prestige commands.interval. Get keys false. Easy. Simple. So that will be there. So now we need to get this, and that adds to the list. So config.material config.interval rewards .add. Actually, no, we need to do one more thing. Material m equals material m equals material.getMaterial s. If m equals null, continue core.console invalid material for prestige interval rewards. Alright, so now we can do config.interval rewards.add m, and we can do config.interval rewards.ev from put m conf.getString prestige commands.interval plus s plus from, and that needs to be getting right. Then we can just paste that 3 times interval every and increase every. I put a u, not a y, and I just deleted the wrong character. Every and from, no interval, no increase. God. Alright. So that's all that saved, right? Now we've got to actually do the brains behind it. Oh, Mead spoke in chat. Hello, Mead. Right. This is so zoomed in, but it's too zoomed out if I do that. It's really annoying. What am I trying to do? I need to go to the prestige part. Cool. And I'll do it under chance rewards. If config dot interval rewards dot size greater than 0. Int prestige. Wait, no, I already saved that. PSTG. Ain't you dev on? Never even heard of that server, Thomas. Is the quality fine, by the way? Yeah, or is it a bit? So I've got to think of how to do this now. So Choco Milk, I never learnt Java on its own first, which I regret, so I can't really tell you where to go for that, to be fair. I'd imagine there's stuff on YouTube, though I learnt through YouTube, so I'd imagine you can find stuff on YouTube. Anyway, let's think of this. So I need to do for material m in config interval rewards. Yeah, it's fine, just gets a bit grainy every once in a while. I'm going to close that. It might help it improve a bit because Chrome causes my laptop to lag quite a lot. But I need everything else, so we'll see. Right, what did we need to do now? Alright, I need to think of how to do this. So Huh. I actually can't think of a good way of doing this right now. I mean, I know an easy way of doing it. One second, I'm gonna quickly just double check his messages to see if the way I'm thinking of doing it would be a possible thing. I don't know, but I'm gonna try this. So I'm gonna remove this from part. Because that'll make it easier. Because I couldn't think of how to do it with that, so I just need to remove the from part in here as well. From and from. And in fact, I do need to do this down here. Interval rewards.clear, interval every.clear, and interval increase.clear. Cool. So what we do is if PSTG percent config.interval every.getM equals 0, meaning that they are an interval of it, then we can do that's a question I should ask. I'm going to quickly ask him a question. Hopefully he's awake. Alright, we'll wait for a response from that. So, item stack I equals new item stack and then we can do, I just imported the wrong item stack, didn't I? Yes, I did. So and then we need to figure out how much the amount will be. So the amount will be PSTG divided by config.interval every.getM, right? I think. So that'd be like 20 divided by 2, which would give 10, so it'd give you 10. No, that won't work. Yes, it will. I need to do that in brackets, and then times config.interval increase.get m. Cool, that should be fine. I'm gonna guess he's responded because I've got 5 notifications now. Right, it seems he wants it to drop on the floor. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, cool. That's so we need to add 2 more things into here then. I'm gonna move this to here and then change this text a bit. This hey Bale example means to give, they will get, yeah, right. And then the messages, the message when a player receives this item. Success prefix you received a hay bale from reaching prestige %prestige. Right. Cool. And then the message if the player's inventory was full. In fact, I'm literally just gonna give him the option. Should the item drop on the floor if the user's inventory is full? Drop if full. True. So invent full. We'll just say full. Prefix %. Your inventory was full, so your hay bale was dropped on the floor. Cool. Should be good, right? And then we just need to add this part to these two sections. So remove the comment and beacon. And in fact, I'm going to remove the underscores from these. I don't know why I put them in. It looks stupid, I bet. And then here as well, you received a sponge. Cool. And I'm going to set the sponge to false just so that I can test it. Now I'm going to keep the sponge on true and I'm going to set the beacon to false just to test. Your inventory was full, so you didn't receive your beacon. Cool. Now we need to add this into the config as well. So public stack. I'm not going to type them out each time. I'm just going to copy them. So we need a boolean interval drop, and this is a boolean. Maybe make the hay bale on the B. I mean, it doesn't matter if I make it capital or not. If he wants it to be capital, he can change it, right? So please read my comment that I left in your Bukkit coding. Oh yeah, I'll look at it after the stream if I remember. I probably won't. Oops. Yeah, I'll look at it whenever I get the chance. So interval success, and this is a string, and this is a string as well, and I don't need this one. I put one too many in. This is interval full. Cool, that's pretty simple, isn't it? Why am I doing that here? That's an idiot thing to do. Interval, fuck, what's it? Interval drop dot put conf.get boolean, and I'm not going to type this out because if I type it out then I'm just probably going to type it wrong and it won't work. And I just need to copy this so that I get it right. Interval success dot put. Am I spelling success right? I am, aren't I? I don't even know. No, don't want to copy that much of it. Messages dot success, and then full. Interval full. Cool. Should be fine. I put 1L. And then just add this down here. So interval drop.clear interval success.clear interval full.clear. Cool. If I could spell clear right, cool. So can I really not do it like this? It's really blurry for me if I zoom this far out. I can't do it like that, but this is so far in, man. Nah, this is annoying. Anyway, what was it doing? I was doing this. So if config dot interval drop dot get m. Oh shit, no, I don't need to do that yet. I'll cut it for now. If p dot get inven dot first empty equals -1. So if they have a full inventory, this is where we do this. And we'll also do call.message config dot interval full dot replace percent prefix percent. Oh shit. No, I don't want to do that, man. Can't really. You're gonna do that again? Okay, I give up with you. What is going on? Nah, I'm just gonna completely rewrite that fucking line. Prefix, and we also need to. Why is that giving an error? Oh shit, because I never did get m. And then dot replace %prestige %. Core dot decimals, that didn't work. Dot decimals 0 and PSTG. Cool. And p dot get location. Can I get world? Is that a thing? Yes, it is. Drop item. P dot get I location. And p dot get I. Else p dot get inven dot add item I. Cool. Simple, right? Should be it. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Interval dot replace. No, don't do this again. Okay, didn't do it. Config.pre dot replace %prestige %. Core dot decimals 0 and PSTG and P. Honestly, I feel like that's it. But I don't have a feel. I feel like that's everything, but at the same time, I feel like that can't be everything because it hasn't been long at all. So which config did I edit? Okay, I edited his one, so that's fine. But before I forget, I am going to throw this into the actual plugins one. It goes right here. So let's test this now. Yes, I want to replace it, please. Where's dev? Dev. How long's this been? It's only been like 20 minutes or something, isn't it? Yeah, 35. But I haven't been streaming for 35, I've been streaming for probably about 30, right? This can't work first try. Not a chance. So, what am I looking for again? Every 2 I should get a hay bale, every 5 a beacon, and every 10 a sponge. So what prestige am I? 1. So when I prestige now, I should get a hay bale. Right? And I didn't. Haha, of course. Any errors? No, because there wasn't an error with the command. And let's just check if I prestige like a few more times, will I get anything? Oh, so I got the beacons from prestige 5. But I didn't get the hay bales from... Oh, it's hay bale, not hay block, isn't it? No, I mean it's hay block, not hay bale, right? So, if I just do this... Yeah, it was hay block, not hay bale. I got a sponge at prestige 4. Should I be getting a sponge at prestige 4? No. Oh, that's because of the chance rewards. I haven't disabled the chance rewards, probably. I should give that a test for sure. So I'm not going to delete this, I'm going to comment it all, because if he ever decides to go back to using it, I want him to be able to just easily be able to. And I don't want to comment that line, because this line needs to be set to this. And prestige, reload. So if I clear my inventory, prestige set asking 0, eco set asking tons of money. You got 10 prestiges at prestige 5 and then another one from prestige 6, mate. Huh? I'm confused. Prestige. So I got prestige 1, I shouldn't get anything at prestige 1. I got hay bales, that's correct. I should get hay bales again at 4. I did, and I got 10, which is perfect. And now at prestige 5, I should get a beacon. I got 10 beacons, and that's right, isn't it? Yes. Now at prestige 10, I should get... So I'm going to clear my inventory, so this time I should get 2 hay bales, I should get... No, I should get like more than that. Let's just do it and see. I thought that was a creeper, not gonna lie. Oh shit, yeah, thanks for reminding me that I need to put this into auto prestige as well. That wouldn't have been good. Yeah, I like your idea though, Mead. Where's auto prestige? And I just chuck it after the chance rewards. Alright, let's export it so that we've got it in auto prestige as well. Good thing I read his message there, otherwise I wouldn't have forgot. It seems to be working fine, Tommy. Why didn't it seem to work fine? If you're on about 10 beacons at prestige 5, not 10 prestiges, what? That's what it's set to, look. Beacon every 5. Outcalled, that's Mead's call, not mine. I couldn't tell you the answer to that. I don't have any part in it. So yeah, that's like, so let's just quickly do the maths in my head. Let's turn AkumaPrestige off. So I got 25 hay bales. How many should I have got? So I should have got 5, 15. What? No, yeah, I should have got 25. Right. On your first test, you prestige. Yeah. That was because I had the chance rewards enabled, Tommy. So there was a chance of getting like additional things. That's all this bit here. So I should have got 20 beacons, and I got 20 beacons, and I should have got 20 sponges, and I got 20 sponges. Cool. So that's everything, I think. Like, that didn't take long at all, to be fair. Why'd you have all your IPs as server names? I don't know. And I assume you mean server names as IPs. Yeah, I do agree with Mead on that though, because otherwise people would break one block and get like 50 prestiges instead of one. Like, people would be like prestige 2 billion instantly, wouldn't they? Alright, I'm gonna quickly stop sharing my screen again, and we'll send this to Mead. So we'll send him that, and that. Cool. So what do we do now? I mean, that's pretty much the goal of it, but it's only been like half an hour. I don't really want to end it after half an hour. Like, what did I add? Hit snipe. Let's just open the stream and just look at the chat for a bit, shall we? How do I add a display capture, a window capture? Where's that? Oh, it's right at the bottom. Why is it all the way down there? Can we see that? You can't see that, can you? The thing where you got items from Prestige, because he asked me to. I mean, yeah, he requested me to do it, so. How long have I been coding for? I've been coding for like, I think I started in June of 2018, so coming up 2 years. But I literally only do plugins as well. I don't do anything else. You can't see my Chrome, can you, for some reason? I know, I'll just turn the monitor back on instead. Yeah, I know it was, don't worry about that. But there is no sense. There is sense, but I'm not going to say why. You know what, how did I do this? So I had to pop this out. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can remember how to put the chat on the screen. What happened here? I don't want to do that. I want it back. Give me it back. Thank you. How did I learn? How did I learn? I learned through YouTube. I want to delete Chrome. Oh shit, I don't want to move it. I want to delete it. Move. Yes. So, I don't really remember how to do this, to be honest. Media source, maybe? And I think we did this. This just might go wrong. God knows. I shouldn't really be doing this on a stream, should I? Hey, but... Alright, I'm gonna see if he responded now. Prestige doesn't work. Let me delete the YML. Let's see. Add browser source. Is that what I just did, or did I do something different? No, I did media source. Where is browser? Oh, I guess it's just browser, huh? Yeah, this looks like what it should be. And I need to change this as well. So I bookmarked the video that I got this from. I'm just gonna copy the code they had for this, because they had some code to actually make it look decent. Do I need all of this? Do not copy quotation marks. What quotation marks? What quotation marks, man? There ain't any. Ah well. We just test it. Huh. Well, I mean, I got the chat now. Just, it's not what I want it to be. What's up with my screen? Why is there a giant, you added a browser source thing on it? Is that what you're on about? Because I can see that now on my phone, actually. Okay, it just disappeared, right? Oh, is that the parts that he meant to not copy? Let's try that. Nope, didn't work. Ah, whatever. I'll figure this out off stream. I'm not going to do this on stream. Discord, okay. I want to figure this chat out, though. I really do. Maybe I do it just without the quotes, like maybe I do start and end. Doubt it, but yes I can. I'm gonna have to watch the video on why that's working, but he's just asked one more thing of me, so we'll do that. He wants me to remove the easy prestige conversion. Wait, nah, he won't ever need it again, so I'll just completely get rid of it. I'm gonna comment it just in case. Yeah, just in case, because I'd rather make sure that it's still available. I can show it now. It's all just like related to this, isn't it? So that should be fine, I think. You know what? Since I'm already like streaming and I've already got a chat going, I'm going to try and figure this chat out on the stream. So I'm going to watch what he put into his thing. Just to see if he put like the end and the start bits in or what he put in. Yep, scroll all the way to the bottom, please. Okay, so displaying YouTube chat is the last thing he put. I didn't want to close that, did I? Hey, I'm sorting it out at the moment, alright? Well, trying to. I can't really turn the delay off because if I turn the delay off, it'll probably be like really it'll probably be really laggy if I turn the delay off. Alright, we'll try this, and if this doesn't work, then we'll stop bothering with trying to get this chat thing going. I'll just move it like off the screen a bit for now. Properties. That's fine. This is good. Alright, we'll see if that works. Nope, or whatever, I'll just get rid of the chat then. What was I gonna do? I had something in mind to do. Oh, I'm gonna look at this. I can do that on here, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I can't do it now that I'm actually streaming. Oh yeah, I can't do it when I'm streaming. But there's three options here, so there's like best quality, best of both, and then best for real-time interaction. The thing is, I think if I put it to the fastest, I think it's probably gonna just cause lag on the stream. I'd imagine, I don't know, but I don't think it'll run smoothly. I'll test it whenever I next do a stream or something. I'm just waiting for him to say that it works or it doesn't at the moment. Oh no, let's not show the staff chat. That's a bad idea. Did Mead say anything about adding paysafe cards to our store? Because I'm waiting since yesterday. I'm not really a part of that, to be honest, mate, so I don't know. I pretty much just code the plugins for it. I mean, why the fuck is he owner? Bruh. I'm not gonna say I agree with that, but hey, I don't have any part in it, do I? So, whatever. Alright, he says there's an error or something. The fuck is this? God, this is a long fucking page. Oh god, I went fucking way too far. No, stop! Stop! No! No! Oh god, alright, I'll fuck that up. The fuck is a media owner? Seriously. Mate, you didn't need to paste your whole fucking console log to get help. Jesus Christ. Well, I think we'll call this an end because I mean I've done the main part of what I wanted to do in it. So yeah, I'll do the typical, you know, third-person thing that all the Minecraft YouTubers do. So yeah, have fun scrolling for the next hour. Yeah, I give up on that for now. All right, so hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like if you have, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next stream. Time to end it.